know how to watch the YouTube videos with the subtitles or closed captions on within the YouTube app just like this? And do you know how to customize these subtitles by changing the color scheme of the background and the font? If not, then you should keep watching this video. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, we make how-to tutorials, tips and tricks about the Android apps and the Windows. So if you're interested, do subscribe the channel. So now coming over to how to enable the subtitles on your videos. So that you need to first open the Android app, then go to the top right hand side, click your avatar icon, and in that you will access the settings. Within the settings, on the bottom above there's a caption. You need to click that, and over here you can see that you can toggle the captions on or off from here. This would be the selection, that if you will keep this on, for every video your captions will be on. However, if you will keep this on, you can select the captions on from the individual videos. So this was the first thing, that how you can watch the videos with your captions on. So this is the point from where you can select that. Now how to customize that? At the bottom you would see that there's a caption style, and here there are default formats, black on white, white on black, and then there's a yellow on black, blue on black. So you can select any one of them. Just to show you a demonstration, and you can see that here the caption was changed. Now let me show you the video where it will show you the customize closed caption with a different color scheme. The last thing, if you want to switch off the closed captions for a particular video or switch it on, you need to go to the menu of the individual video, and from the captions here you can just turn off the captions and the captions will go off. So this was all about this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share, and do subscribe our channel.